One area the way Sierra Leone don't really focus to na farming, more especially at the poultry area. Now you get plenty Sierra Leone they now then get poultry farm. That also it don't create significant balance in terms of import. Before, I remember during crisis like Corona time, egg na something and it be very difficult to forget. So during that time then plenty people use that opportunity for make way that way it could change that look there. So now I know they say we know they import egg, but we don't cut them because plenty Sierra Leone there now they get poultry farm. So recently Chief Minister Dr. David go visit one of the poultry farm we established by Sierra Leone. Now somebody we don't work na United Nations World Food Program, and also it don't be country representative na plenty country then also, and also it be in Rome. So it be go visit in farm. Now this the Chief Minister get for say we just want for share with you now some of them here so that go inspire other people out there. So let we go into that. The woman na in name Mrs. Sita Kakai is a well-respected global name in food security. She served as a United Nations World Food Program country representative in several countries across the world and as director in Rome. But to me, what she is doing now in Sierra Leone is more inspiring than many things she did before. That's what Chief Minister said. Since she retired and returned home a few years ago, she has been supporting government in direct and indirect ways. She is currently on the board for the student loan scheme, where her leadership has expanded higher education to thousands of Sierra Leoneans indirectly. She is an exemplary leader for food security in Sierra Leone. I was privileged to visit one of her farms today. That's what the Chief Minister said. She set up MULU Poultry Farm Ltd last year and now supply egg all over the country. In that process, she worked with the local and national agriculture officers, students, and local community women. She sent students to Makeni to learn from other poultry farm owners and return back to teach young entrepreneurs in Kwaidu. She has established a partnership with the district government officials, school, and Kono University for hands-on learning and research development. Her feed supply comes from other local companies, thereby supporting other private sector. Antisita Aisata Kakai is exactly who I want to be when I grow up. Deeply rooted in her community, highly compassionate, inexhaustible in her support for others, and visionary. Beyond all of that, she is love, pure love. Visiting her farm today, I did not only leave with carton of egg, I left with a renewed sense of hope and satisfaction that indeed together we will deliver. P.S. The farm manager studied at Jala and graduated in 2004, was a volunteer at the Ministry of Agriculture, and now a major entrepreneur employing more than 50 people. That is radical inclusion. So that's what the Chief Minister end up for say. These are something we very inspire, and I'm glad the way Sierra Leone they don't begin turn to farming, and they don't begin to show dividends. We need more Sierra Leone them way for invest. That go make we will get more food, so that I not go say we not do import too, but this go cut import down. We just allow share this with the public for inspire other people, and they will get money what they want do like that here. So but they're afraid. But like if they know they see Sierra Leone they know they play part at this particular sector, it will give them more courage for let themselves come on board. Not forget, this is the program called Bringing Government to the People. Thank you.